It all came from the idea, why not to make a table? You don't need much to create something you'll enjoy doing. The process, that creation is gonna take you an outcome you hope to achieve. This recipe is simple. Basic tools, that's all you need. Loose space with roof, axe, couple clamps, planer, sander, scrub timber, and off you go. Well, I don't have any footage of gluing and clamping those three pieces together. Messy and annoying. Basically, I glue those together, and on the back side of it, I cut a 3/4 inch deep channel to put some timber across for extra rigidity. Running a relatively sharp planer is always a pleasure. Make you feel connected to that little piece of wood. Unlike orbital sander, dusty, noisy, but finish wood in quick and effective manner. Now the worst part is over. Just smooth those edges. Little trick, spray some water that will make those crushed fibers after sanding pop out. Then sand them down manually, and finished product should be smooth. Well, this is completely optional. I like this type of finish. Little fire make those grain patterns show up. To add a little protection and preserve table, I use Danish oil. 3 to 5 layers should be enough, but you do as much or as little as you wish. And now we done the most expensive part of that build, Amazon table legs. Rest of it I already had. Few afternoons and we made ourselves not too bad coffee table.